What's going on, guys? Man, I keep screwing up here. First off, nice to see y'all. Second off, I've been talking this whole time. I've been waiting, talking through this whole trade, and my mic has been muted on the recording software. So I'm trading my Trade-of-8 funded account. I'm trading a 150K evaluation account at the same time on NinjaTrader. Trade-of-8 gave me this for free TOPSTEP gave me this for free as part of their "we're sorry that we screwed up and here's something to make you less pissed off with us." So I'm long both of them, and I was talking through this whole thing. That's kind of unfortunate, but looking for a little bit more of a push up here before I sell this. Man, that sucks. I've been talking about SPX. I've been talking about everything here, so looking for that one last push above into 05 here. Keep in mind, if this is the reversal, this could be the move back to highs. So we could blast through the short setup. There's a short setup here. We had a reversal on the hourly. We had a really nice long on the 15-minute. We have a really nice long on the 30-minute. We've got nice setups, nice longs on all time frames. This definitely is, in this area, a long. So I've gotten long on both, and kind of just chilling, waiting for now. It's pretty obvious to me what the market is saying. I just don't know if it's going to do it, and I don't want to have a bias if we start to break down. So let's look what happened yesterday at the open. It seems like every day we've just been dipping and frickin' ripping. Maybe today will be another example of that, maybe not. I think so. I think we'll get at least up into the teens, close to the teens here. It's looking like we're holding this so far. ES, nice little rip. ES has got some good setups on it as well. Let's check where this 5-minute candle brings us. We could come back here into this setup, into the 75, but I do think we're likely to to take off. Excuse me. It's been a while since I've seen you guys. Man, TOPSTEP has really stepped up and tried to fix what they did wrong. So I'm happy for that. I'm glad. I think I chose the right place. Their rules are better. Their their platforms are better. Other than Trade-of-8, but I don't mind Trade-of-8 when it's working. But NinjaTrader is also fantastic. I've always loved NinjaTrader. So, just waiting here. SPX probably going to close the gap first. Would not be surprised. Let's get an order out to sell one of these here.
Order rejected.
No? Okay, that's good. That was rejected. I hit...
Order working.
That's so fucking loud, bro. I accidentally clicked on buy. Whoopsie. Come on, don't be afraid. This 150K account is already up pretty big, which is nice. I'm going to try to get that out here as well once we hit 06. Like, once we break through 800s, I'll probably market sell it. Sorry, once we do, if we do. I think we're going
to. Order submitted.
See how much more chill that was? With the volume and with the nice voice. Order submitted. Not frickin'
Order submitted.
Like, dude, relax. Just chill out. Not gonna lie, this is kind of sketchy, but the setup is still long. SPX just put in a... Why am I on the 3 minute? SPX just put in a nice long setup, at least in the just the little short term here, just to get back up into this area towards closing the gap. I'm not looking for anything freaking crazy. Come on. Don't make a short setup on the 15 and then go down. I don't want to see any of that crap.
Order working.
Man. It's holding up nice. It just has to push. Give me a little push here. Breakthrough. There it is. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want to. Don't be afraid. There's nothing to be afraid of here. Oh, this is so sketchy. Just go, bro. Stop doing this to me. So, I'm chill. I'm not triggered. I'm just being funny for the camera here. Excuse me. Just a bit more of a push. Right into my order. Look at it. It's right there.
Order filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
Okay, so I closed the...
Order filled.
There it is. Now, I'm
Order filled.
taking them both off there. So I just exited all the longs on all of the accounts I'm trading right now. This is... it's showing a lot of resistance right now into that hourly short. We've got we've got the 9 moving average. We have the actual short. Like, that was the actual short that it tapped there. So I want to get out. I'm totally down to get back in to a good setup. But I think that's fine right there. So where is the next setup? Because here I am. Well, there's a long on the 15 minute here. The 15's about to close, right? 20 seconds. So there's a long here. There's the 15 minute 9 here. There's a long setup down here. That's probably the best one. We have a short setup forming on top of an hourly short setup, but it's on top of an hourly long and like an hourly reversal. So I need some more price action. I want to wait for the hour to open. Okay, so 15 minute opened. There's technically a long here, but there's also technically a short here. So that's why I wanted to get out where I did. The probability is that we will chop, and I don't want to get stopped out, but I'm okay if it goes higher without me. So that's the short setup right there. So 1, 2, 3 on the 15 minute. And now it's pushing up into the actual hourly setup, and it might just keep ripping. It might just do what it's been doing every single day. I do think the overall move is long, but every new high here is getting... It kind of got stuffed there for a second. There's lots of wicks. This isn't exactly what I like to see to hold on to a 2 contract long. So we've pushed, we broke out, we rejected. I would assume we're going to come back down. And what I want to do is get long in this area, but I need a I need a good setup. So this by itself.
Order working.
so loud, dude. That by itself would be a good setup. Let's try to catch it here on this account. See? Exactly what I thought might happen did happen. SPX is rejecting the 5-minute 9 now. We're breaking under the long setup. Let's see where it opened. Where was open print? Oh, open print's in a great spot. 78. So it's actually up here. So I am looking for a spot to get long. Just not entirely sure where yet. We're still chopping around. There is now a long setup forming right here, but it's a 5-minute. It's not an hourly. 2 minutes left. How are you guys doing? How was trading last week? Did anyone catch that move? That was a crazy freaking move. Which day was it? The long. Whee! Price action here really weak. Really freaking weak. So what? It's got to head a little bit lower first. Man, that's going to be pretty sick if I get that fill and then it goes up. It's a really nice... It is a really nice setup on the hourly. You guys can't see it. There it is. Nice reversal pattern. And we have a short-term sort of bearish setup. So it could get me right into it. And then if everything works out, the larger time frame takes over and we head higher. It'll be a nice win if so. $20 25 seconds. Excuse me. My throat is always screwed up in the mornings here. Well, it's screwed up all the time, but that's all good. Five seconds. Looks like there's going to be, well, I don't know. So we actually have a short setup now on the 5-minute by itself. I don't really care about that. But what it means is there might be enough short-term pressure to get me into this long. Back down. 15-minute. Oh, these are all such good setups. 30-minute, 76. I want the best. The best entry. And I actually want 2 contracts there.
Order working.
Still rejecting it. SPX is going nowhere in a hurry. What about NDX? NDX looking pretty long. Oh yeah. I just wonder if I'll get this fill. That's the question. Open this next 5 minute, dip into it, and then take off so that we reclaim the hourly level for an hourly long for the whole like next hour sort of thing. That'd be pretty sweet. I kind of just want one contract with a big stop. 73.
Order submitted.
Okay, so if that gets filled, that's fine. I'll just leave that there. If not, then that's also fine. It's going to push before this 5 minute candle, isn't it? I'm not chasing it. I'm not chasing it, bro. That's not happening. It does feel like these shorts are gonna get ripped. Like these little cascading up candles. It seems like it's charging up, you know? It's charging up the short butthole rip cannon. Man, I'm such a I have the weirdest takes on the market. I have the weirdest analogies. Such a weirdo, dude. Nice and patient. Nice and freaking patient. See how it's doing nothing? But volume is high? I think this is accumulation. Come on. Come on. Come on. This might not get... I'm going to move it up just a...
Order cancelled.
Just a little bit.
Order working.
So if we have a 5 minute reversal set up now in this area, I will take it here. Because we're on top of the hourly. We're pretty much where I want it.
Order filled.
Okay, Ninja Trader got filled. Nice. I almost clicked the button at the right spot. Fuck. Trading can be trading can be a fun one, eh?
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm at the max gain on the Ninja Trader account, so I kind of just took it off there. Damn, I'm trying to get filled here on Trade of 8. Ten seconds.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order working.
Okay, I'm trying to get it higher now, so it's just gonna take off. That's so sick. So I'm only gonna use one contract. Actually, I gotta cover commissions on
Order filled.
on Ninja Trader. So I'm gonna jump in there, try to make a little more. Just one contract, nothing crazy. Oh, it's gonna take off without me. I can smell it. I can smell it, bro. I'm just trying to stay calm. Nobody's getting triggered. We're waiting for the setup. We're adjusting as we see more price action. Nothing wrong with that. Pretty good day of trading so far, really. Made some money on the funded account. Had a massive gain on the frickin' eval, that 150k eval. Trading 5 and 10 contracts is kind of sus, you know? Like it's kind of sketchy, I'm not going to lie. It's good practice though. It's funny because I'll trade 5 on the sim or on the eval. And then I'll trade 1 or 2 or maybe 3 live, and it just makes that easier because I'm getting conditioned safely to 5 and 10 that a lower amount just is kind of whatever. Trading, trading, trading. I think it's going to go without me. But this could also be the end of the move.
Order filled.
There it is. Wow, look at that. So it's all about this hourly close. If we don't close over this long, I don't like this. I don't want it. And that was a really nice buy up off of that level. But this is still sketchy. SPX, if it just breaks out of this over the 5-minute 9. Same with NDX, but SPX especially. Just give me a little more. Even into 97, I'll probably take this off. See, we're just doing nothing. We're just doing fucking nothing, man. We're about to set up another long on SPX. I don't know if we're going to close this properly on the hourly on NQ. I don't like this. Now it's not doing what I want. But I got it at a good price, so... What is this fricking... Is there news coming out? I should probably know this. Fuck. Give me a bit of a push. Come on.
Order cancelled.
Took it off there.
Order filled.
What is... Oh, fuck, man. Did I miss news? What am I doing? And what is this price action? You know what I mean? Like, that push is what I wanted. Job openings, ISM, construction. See, that's still a short setup. And see how it's being sold off into now? Like, because we're in all these resistances on the hourly. Fuck me, man. That's what I wanted, was that push. I missed out on an extra 10 points because of that. But, dang, I've been scalping like crazy. We're up pretty good. This is a nice day. I'm clearly triggered, a little bit at least. Like, I'm fine, but I'm triggered. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Have a nice day. Shalom, shalom.